How to make poster design. In pixellab like Photoshop, open your pixellab. First delete this text and import this image. Download link in description. You can use your own image but make sure remove your image background first. Hide and lock this image. Or enable grid option and add more grid lines like 15 into 15. Click on magnet icon, add a round shape and add a rectangle shape and adjust like this. And merge all shape layer. Enable color option and choose a color. Increase shape size according to your design. Align center, unhide and unlock your image. And adjust image size, and align according to your design. Go to erase option, and I am erasing half of image. Adjust size and align perfectly. And lock image layer. Duplicate shape layer and change this color black. Align center, increase shape size, and align center. Again duplicate same shape and change color white. Increase size and align center. According to black shape layer. And merge black and white shape layer. Go to erase color option and erase white color. And increase tolerance 70. And move to back like this. Enable image shadow, blur radius 25. Offset X 30. And transparency 50. Select orange shape layer. And enable shadow. Choose dark orange color. Blur radius 25. Offset X 28 and offset Y 28. Transparency 222. And choose a gradient color. First color I am choosing form image. And second color I am choosing light orange. And adjust gradient. Enable grid option. Add a rectangle shape, like this. Radius 100%, OK. Enable shadow, blur radius 25. Transparency 65. And enable stock. Stock width 2. Enable grid option and align perfectly. Adjust shape like this. And import your logo. I am changing my logo color, like black. And adjust logo size, and place the right way. I am aligning my logo. And add a text. Write something. And choose font. I am choosing Montserrat Bold Italic. And choose text color, like black. Copy text. And transparency 0. And enable stock. Stock width 2. And align like this. And move to back form first text. Align perfectly. Again same way to add Ronaldo text. And align perfectly. And add more details. Now social media post is ready. Subscribe Technicaleditex for more videos.